This car looks incredible. I'm back. Man, it has been way too long since I've been in front of the camera again. Well, you guys did see the wheels video, however, we started recording that video weeks ago and just finished it not too long ago. And today is the first video where we're kind of fully live after a little bit of a break, I guess if you call it. Obviously, you guys just saw the huge array of parts we got. Well, first off, I'm getting ahead of myself. It's great to be back. I think it was a much needed break. However, we're getting into the swing of things full bore here. Obviously, you guys just saw the full kind of stack of parts we got here. Gotta give a huge shout out to my boy, Ryan, because Daddy, wearing his awesome Dream It, Build It merch. Keep it down. And definitely make sure you guys go ahead and check out the link in the description if you guys want to grab one of your own. Today's video is all about the wheels and our tires for this thing. So by the end of today's video, you guys will see this thing on the new setup with the brakes, with the, it's gonna be awesome. I cannot wait. Without further ado, it is great to be back. Let's just get started. Man, I missed this. So I have so much to update you guys on. Like, I've been out here working. Don't think that you guys, just because you guys have not been seeing content, that I have not been here in the shop. I've been here almost every single day, just kind of getting little small things complete on the wheels, well, on the car and the wheels. Wheels are done. Obviously, as you guys can see, these things are ready to go. That's why I had the tape here. That's kind of my sanding. I still got to get in on this one. I kind of didn't finish on it, but all of them still need, I think, like one or two of them still need attention. Check out these little shorty valve stem caps. I'm pretty stoked on those. One thing I am kind of curious about, we are gonna have to raise the rear end of the car at least like 10 to 15 millimeters just because of our solid subframe bushings. Lower the car, or should I say bring the subframe closer to the car, which then lowers the car. And then also, guys, I've been kind of starting to work on getting my front bumper wrapped, which is what I've been starting to do. So that is definitely a bit of a job right there. It is super tricky, but we'll get her done. A lot of you guys probably don't even realize I have these. I sometimes forget I have these. But yeah, we've got some Federal RSRRs that are going on the S13. The size for these guys are 255s, 40 17s. What's going on the 300? These are just 595s. These are 265, 35, 18s. The wheels should be shipping soon. I did order them, so hopefully we should get them here soon, and then we'll just go. We have more things than just the wheels, multiple items than just the wheels that are coming. So this car is gonna be sweet, man. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get these things loaded up, and we'll be on our way. Nothing beats a nice set of fresh meat, man. Team no stretch. Well, that was rather painless. That worked out. 2 wheels there, 4 tires back here. 1 and 2. Sweet, man. Moment of truth, though. Will it close? We're a little close down there. Will it do it? Yes. For those of you that are unaware or forgot, yeah, we did these. If you guys missed that video, I painted these up real nice. These are the CTSV calipers with a little bit of custom work done to them. I'm just sitting here looking at this thing, man. It's gonna look so good. These wheels are gonna absolutely transform the car. You guys are not gonna want to miss this. All right, so it's about that time. Let's go get these things mounted. Alright guys, so just like that, we are back here at the shop. Sorry my battery died in this thing and I didn't bring a replacement. So we're here. These things are insane. Let's just put it that way. I cannot wait to see these things put on the car. I think it's gonna be the complete kind of cherry on top. However, obviously the car is not, this is not the reveal video because we still have to do the front bumper, the hood has to go on, and along with some other little detail stuff that we need to kind of finish up. However, let's get these things installed. I guess I should probably show you guys what we're working with here. Hey, I guess I'll show you guys from the back first. Dude, I mean, those black barrels, man, that was, yeah, that's money right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Just some good meat. Now check these out. You guys ready for this? Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I mean, that is amazing. Huge shout out to the homie Ryan, my dude. He actually helped us out with getting the tires mounted and balanced on our new wheels. If you guys are interested, if you guys are in the Rochester area and need some tires mounted and balanced, hit the dude up. His Instagram will be down in the description. Probably maybe have it on the screen as well, but give him a follow. Did great work, man. Did not mess up the wheels whatsoever. They look perfect. So can't argue with that. You guys don't want to hear me talk about them though, you know what I mean? Let's get these things installed on the 240, getting rid of our sketchy fitment. We do also have to go ahead and install our brakes, which, well, I guess I showed you guys those earlier. So we'll go ahead and put those on, wheels on. This thing's gonna be looking pretty tough. Looking at these brake rotors here, we're gonna need to do something about these. Ideally, I would love to get the 300ZX rear brake swap on this thing. Alright, so I basically raised it, as you can see all those clean threads. I raised it about 10 millimeters, about half an inch. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that and kind of see where we sit. I'll go ahead and toss one of the wheels on, put it on the ground, and I think we should be generally okay. And then we're also going to have to probably mess with the alignment, at least a little bit like eyeball-wise, before we take it to the alignment shop. But man, oh man, let's get these things on. Woo! Also, before I forget, yes, we are no longer rocking the gold lug nuts. We got ourselves some nice black ones. We're replacing those with these. All right, let's get one of these bad boys. Oh man, it looks so good. All right, so we need a driver's. These are both driver's side. This one is the rear. The reason why I can tell is the rears actually got milled about 5 to 6 millimeters on the inside, so the backs, so they sit. The offset is technically around 28, 29. With these wheels as opposed to 22. Yeah, I know the tape is still on there. So, oh my god, you can already... Dude, this is going to be an insane color combination. So, let's go ahead. Let's get these things on, eh? Alright, I don't know if you guys know exactly how excited I am for this. Like, this is so much work went into these that we're finally actually getting to see the result. And that's where it pays off. So, we gotta be careful not to scratch them up anywhere. The nice part is they're light. Oh, yeah. Yep. They're a super tuner. Oh! Nut. We definitely gotta add some camber though, because this is not gonna work. We must be in the positive cam. Oh! Alright guys, so I think I got it in a generally okay spot as to where we want it. So let's just let's drop her down here, see where we're at. Oh wow. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, I'm in love, dude. Oh my god, this is incredible. What? Yep. white was definitely the right choice. I mean, come on. Come on. Look at the little tuck we got going on, very minor. We could technically go a little bit lower if we wanted to. Let's move on to the front. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to keep holding. Dude, like, look at that. Look at that. That's incredible. Like, it's actually incredible, dude. All right, let's get these fronts on, man. Oh my God, this is so good. The excitement and hype is so real right now. You can just hear it in my voice. Like that's amazing. That's amazing. Woo, man. Don't mind the rusty rotors. That'll clean up real nice once we hit the brakes once. Let's get that wheel on. Even these tires cold just pick up everything from the floor, man. Super sticky. This is basically what we've all been waiting for. This is a big moment. Are you guys ready? I'm not too sure if you guys are. Dude. Oh man, oh man. Here we go. Oh man. It doesn't even show up on camera that well. It's real dark on camera. Oh man, dude. I mean, granted, the spoke is kind of right in our way, but look at this thing. Look at this thing. Now, I'm thinking, sorry, the battery died again. I'm thinking we could maybe knock in a little bit more camber. Maybe we could get just a little bit more tuck in, and then we could probably lower the front a little bit more. I'm really happy with this car, man. I'm really happy with it. It's not over the done, like the kit doesn't, it's not ricey or anything like that. You guys know, I'm not a body kit kind of guy, but it definitely looks factory, and it definitely looks like it belongs. So that is gonna be it for today, guys. Really appreciate everyone who is watching till the end. You guys are awesome. If you guys are still here, throw that thumbs up button, give it a like. Share this video with your friends, guys. Subscribe if you guys have not yet done so. Stay notified. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, all down in the description below. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow, stay updated. Instagram is the place to be. Instagram and Twitter are popping. So we only have like 1,000 Instagram followers. We need to get that number up. But for real, guys, thank you so much. For anyone that bought a sticker, you guys are awesome. Should be seeing those to your door here very soon if you guys have not yet already got them. But if you guys have not yet bought one and would like to help support the channel, it would really help out, guys. $6 shipped worldwide. Great deal. So thank you guys, all my patrons. You guys are awesome. Really appreciate the dedication and the support from you guys. Yeah, I mean, the car is coming out real good. Still a lot to come, guys. You do not want to miss it. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good night. Feels great to be back. I'll see you guys later. Peace.